Hello, greetings, welcome to Friday TGIF. Of course, yesterday is TBT, Throwback Thursday, so TGIF sounds about right, but tell you what, we're going to have Throwback Thursday. We need to have other special days of the week, like No Shower Friday or something, I don't know. Just an idea. Anyway, 3 weather headlines for today. Next best rain chance, next Wednesday. Temp-wise, going to be averaging again, 5 to 10 degrees above average for the foreseeable future. And the third weather headline is a significant temperature drop coming in about 1 week. And you can kind of see that coming our way on the temp trend, where the average is 65 and slowly going down. So by the time we get to next Thursday, the average high will be about 62 or so. So we'll actually still be a couple of degrees above average if my forecast turns out right for that day. But well above average by about 5 to 10 degrees until Wednesday. That's the transitional day. And then Thursday, the cooler air begins to settle in and hunker down. Meanwhile, jet stream firing down across the Pacific West Coast and taking that dog leg right and well to our west, which means all the moisture with it misses us to our west. Looks like a similar picture to yesterday, except the rain down here is now up here. But all moving in that direction, avoiding us. And really, it's just raining in the same places over and over. So areas that are getting rain, they're not seeing any drought-like conditions. But for much of the rest of the country, very little rainfall the last, well, several months, really, not just the last several weeks. Meanwhile, this moisture, look at how it's beginning to coalesce and spin in a counterclockwise way, indicating a storm forming there. And that moisture is going to slowly seep northwards into Pennsylvania by Saturday night and Sunday, and into New York State by Sunday night into Monday. But I think by the time it bleeds northwards, it runs into all this dry air, so much so that at least the rain gets evaporated, if not the cloud cover. We'll pick up that for really later Sunday, but Monday and Tuesday before the next cold front arrives on Wednesday. But we have to wait until these highs break down. There is a cool front that's passing through early this morning, and it really doesn't bring any weather with it except for the fact that there's a slight temperature drop with it. And that'll dissolve and fizzle out, and these 2 highs remain in control right on through the upcoming weekend before this storm seeps northwards in our direction. So the sequence of events is just this little bubble of high pressure drifting across the area, reinforcing the dry air, but turning it somewhat cooler for today into tomorrow. But the overall pattern stays pretty much the same. Almanac, 77:48 versus my forecast of 75:50, so very close. We're almost down to 12 hours of daylight. Your weather is next.
Welcome to Intermission. Yeah, Intermission.
Your TGIF forecast, not as bright as the last 2 days. It's kind of faded a little bit after a totally sparkling day on Wednesday. The clouds began to increase Thursday afternoon, but not perceptibly, not big time. But there'll be more clouds in the sky today than there were yesterday, so we'll call it partly sunny, and a high about 72. Light and variable wind means no preferred direction and less than 5 miles an hour most of the time. Clearing up for tonight, low just under 50, and then tomorrow, very similar but even brighter, sunny side up, low humidity, light and variable wind, high of 72 degrees. And does that bright weather continue much longer? Well, as I mentioned, Sunday it begins to cloud up a bit, especially the second half of the day as that storm seeps northwards through Pennsylvania, and then mostly cloudy for Monday and Tuesday, but I think the rain holds off until Wednesday when breezy conditions usher in much cooler air for the end of next week. That is your 7-day forecast. Now it's up to you to make it a great day.